Hi, consider me your IT guide for non-techie people. Basically, my name is Tusinana Tui. Basically, I have been interested in just helping SMEs use tech tools and use it very effectively. Um, Technology is actually something that's here to stay. So the earlier your business can tap into the available technology tools, the better for your business. So one of these tools is Google My Business. Google My Business is a very fantastic tool. It enables you to be found on Google easily, your search. And basically what it does is that it incorporates Google Maps, which enables people to see people, owners of shop or businesses around them or around their locality. So it enables you to thrive and actually get recommendations, reviews, citations. And one of the ways that Google My Business is very, very effective is it enables your website to be found, hereby drawing traffic for you and eventually drawing more sales. Because more than half of the people who get to see you on Google search, in most cases, are most likely clients that would likely buy from you, because there is something called targeting and then a niche. So basically these things can actually be done using Google AdWords. You can actually find what niche suits your business, what keyword suits your business, so that you can rank higher, because when you rank high you are easily found. When you rank amongst the top 5 pages, you're easily found. Well, there's a way Google works. It works in a very funny it works in a very interesting way. It works by crawling, it works by bidding, it works by using bots online. I wouldn't bore you with the details right now, but here's the thing: get a Google My Business account today. Hope this video has been helpful. Cheers.